Hi stylers, today I will be making a wall art using these gift bags. Now this video was kind of inspired by a bag that I found, and then I went to Google and type in gift bag ideas for wall art, and I found this video on YouTube. I will put a link down below. You guys can check out her video as well. So I'm saying, you can imagine how some persons might think alike. I saw this gift bag, and when I went on her YouTube page, it was the same gift bag. So what I'm doing here, I actually going to cut off the sides of this gift bag here, and then I will be using my poster board to glue them on. So I am using a cutting tool here to cut off the side of the gift bag. So after I cut the side of the gift bag, this is what it is looking like now. And I was actually going to do the top part of the poster board only, but then I realized that the back part of the gift bag that doesn't have the glitter can be used as well. So you will see that later on in the video. So while I was here planning to glue it on, I realized I didn't have my glue gun. I left it at my family home. But I had some wood glue here, and later on I realized I had some Mod Podge as well. So I'm using what I have, and this is just to show you anything you have around home can be used as a DIY project. So I am here going to glue on these gift bags on the poster board, and just to put them firmly and even on it. Ensure that you line up all the groups, and it doesn't have to be this design gift bags. There are so many gift bags out there that you can use to create your own wall art. So after you glue all the pieces together, as I said, I was just going to do the top part only, and then I decided that I will do the bottom part as well. So I turn it around, and now I am putting the bags on the opposite side of it and to glue it on. So now I will be using the Mod Podge next to add the next set of papers onto the poster board. So here I am lining up the poster board again, spreading the Mod Podge across this board, and then I can add the other layer of the gift bag onto this. Now you're seeing those little section there in the middle where you can see the bags separating. Don't worry, I have a solution for that. So adding the next layer of the bags, because as I said, I didn't plan to do the top part. Is when I finished the other part there, I realized that I have some other pieces of gift bags, and I'm just using them now. To separate this and not to show where the bags were joined, I am using this mirrored. It's a mirror strip. It's a peel and stick mirror strip that I had some time now that I purchased from Amazon, and I'm using it in the middle of this to give it that separation so that I don't see that it's really a gift bag that I used to join. Let me know so far what you think about this DIY project. Comment down below if you do something like this. So I am here joining this and have to ensure that they are secured. They are mirrors, so they will give a reflection of what is in the room at that time. So at the top part where the holes of the handles of the bag were, I am using the mirrors as well, but I'm using them in this diamond shapes. So after adding these mirror at the top in this diamond shape, This is what the wall art turned out to look like. It blends in with the color scheme of my room decor so well, and I hope you like it. If you can do a better job, you can do a better job. This one was quickly done, but it's just to give you an idea of what you can use around your home to make wall art. Thank you again for watching this video. I hope you get an idea here for making a wall art, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you love this video, you will love the next video on screen. Please subscribe so you get notified each time I upload a video. See you on the next video.